how to link another WhatsApp on your phone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link and add another WhatsApp account on the same phone. Just stick around till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get into it. Alright, first open WhatsApp and head over to the chat screen. In the top right corner, tap on the three dots and go into settings. At the very top, you'll see your account info. Right next to it, there's a little plus icon. Tap that. From the pop-up, tap on Add Account. WhatsApp will show you some information, just read through it. And then tap Agree and continue if you're good with it. Now, tap the three dots in top right corner. Select Link as companion device. Now, grab your main phone and scan the QR code that appears on the second device. Give it a few seconds and your chats will sync up. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to switch between accounts from the settings menu whenever you want. Super convenient. And that's how easy it is to add another WhatsApp account on your Android phone. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.